Hey, boys and girls, I'm sorry I can't be with you this afternoon live, so I'm going to do a recorded calendar for you so you can still get your calendar in. All right, boys and girls, let's start like always with our days of the week. Let's clap them out. Start with Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, I want to know what day today is. If you know, tell it to me. What day is today? If you said Tuesday, you are correct. It is Tuesday. All right, if today is Tuesday, what will tomorrow be? If you said Wednesday, you are right. All right, here comes that tricky one. If today is Tuesday, I want to know what was yesterday or the day before today. Yell it out. It was Monday. Very good. All right, let's go on to our calendar. It's now the month of January. We're still in the month of January. Okay, yesterday was the 11th day of January. If you know what number I need to put in for today, yell it out. What number comes after 11 or is one more than 11? If you said 12, you're right. And a 12, remember, is a 1 and a 2. So today's date is Tuesday, January the 12th, 2021. Say that with me. Everybody say, today is Tuesday, January the 12th, 2021. Good job. All right, let's go to how many days we've been in school. Yesterday, we were in school for 81. So what's one more than 81, or what comes after 81? 82. So I have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 groups with 10 in it. That gives me 80. And then I need to have 2 more because 82 is 8 and a 2. So I need 2 more ones by themselves to make 82. So if I go back and count these groups of 10, I would say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82. 82 days. All right, let's go on to what we've been working on, which is comparing numbers. All right, I really want you to work on these new words that we're learning. Greater than or more than. All right, if you hear me say the word greater than, that means greater means more. So if you look at the purple that has 8 and the green that has 5, which one is greater or more? Everybody say greater than. Say 8 is greater than 5. Say that with me. 8 is greater than 5. Or you could say the purple is greater than the green. All right, the next word we learned is less than or fewer. Everybody say fewer. Everybody say less than. All right, less than or fewer. If I ask you which one has less or fewer, I'm looking for the smaller amount or the smaller group or the smaller number. So look at the red, which has 3, and the blue, which has 9. Which one has less or is fewer, 3 or 9? 3. So we would say 3 is less than 9. Say that with me. 3 is less than 9. Or we might say fewer. Say that with me. 3 is fewer than 9. One more time. 3 is fewer than 9. Now, look at the orange. I have 7 and 7. We would say they're equal, or 7 is equal to 7. Equal means the same amount. But instead of saying same, we're going to use the word equal. Everybody say equal. Good job. All right, looking here, we see that I have how many more? Well, let's look at the purple and the green. They each have a partner until the green has no more, and there's 1, 2, 3 more purple left over. So we could say the purple has 3 more than the green. All right, over here at the red and the blue, the red has 2 more than the blue, or you could say there are 2 less blue than there are red. Okay, so you can look at it as more or less. More is greater, less, fewer, smaller amounts. All right, let's go on to my dots here. All right, I have blue dots and green dots. Boys and girls, which one is less or fewer? Less or fewer, blue or green? Blue. How did you know that? Well, there are less blue dots than green dots. Let's count the blue. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. And for green, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is less than 5, or 3 is fewer than 5. All right, I don't know if my screen is going to show everything on this one. I might have to move them over. Okay, let me move over my blue dots so they're in the screen so that you can see them all. I want to know, I have green dots, I have blue dots. This time I want to know which one is greater. Which one is greater or more than? Which one is greater or more than? The green or the blue? The blue. How do you know? The blue has more than the green. If you're not sure, you could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blue, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green. 9 is more or greater than 5. All right, let's go to our next one. All right, so I have the green dots and I have the blue dots. I want to know which one's greater or more. Green or blue? Is there one that's less? Is green less than blue or blue less than green? Well, let's check. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue. I have 6 green and 6 blue. So are there any that are greater? No. Are there any that are less or fewer? No. They're the same amount. So what word would we use to describe the green dots compared to the blue dots? They are equal. If you said equal, you are right. All right, let's check my dots here. All right, is there a group that's greater than or has more? Is there a group that's less or fewer? Is there a group that's equal? Let's check. Let's count them. Green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 green. And for blue, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. What can we say about the green dots compared to the blue dots? The green has more, or the green is greater. The blue is less or fewer. All right, now we're going to compare our numbers that are written numbers, okay? Our numerals, our numbers. I have 10 and 7. Which number is greater or more, 10 or 7? Yell it out. 10. I hope you said 10. 10 is greater or more than 7. All right, we have a few more to do. This time, I have 8 and 4. I want to know which one is less or fewer. Which number is less or fewer? Yell it out. 4. 4 is less or fewer than 8. All right, I have 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Which number is more or greater? 5 or 6? Which one is more or greater? 6. 6 is more or greater. Which number, I have 0 and I have 3. Which number is less or fewer? Which number is less or fewer? Yell it out. 0 is less than 3. Good job. I have 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Which is more or greater? Which number is greater, 2 or 9? Yell it out. 9 is greater. Let's do 2 more. 9 or 7. Which is less or fewer? 9 or 7? Yell it out. Which one's less or fewer? 7. 7 is fewer. All right, last one. I have 2 and 9. I want to know which one is more or greater, 2 or 9. Yell it out. 9 is more or greater. All right, boys and girls, that was our lesson on more or greater, less or fewer. I hope you have a great rest of the afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.